Today we are diving into Southeast Asian tastiness with bun cha, which consists of smoky grilled pork meatballs, marinated pork belly, and fresh rice noodles that hit all the right notes: sweet, salty, and savory. Hello everyone and welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where we show you how to cook the best recipes from all around the world. Today we're making Vietnamese meatballs, also known as bun cha, which is a meal traditionally served as lunch from the capital city Hanoi of Vietnam. But before we catch the plane to Vietnam, be sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a beautiful looking thumbs up on this video, and also tap the notification bell so you won't miss any easy to make and delicious recipes here at Cozymeal Studios. Now, let's get cooking! We're going to start by marinating the minced pork shoulder. So, using a bowl, combine 400 grams of minced pork shoulder, 1 cup of finely chopped shallot, 1/2 cup of chopped green onions, 5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 30 grams of ground black pepper, 50 grams of sugar, and 20 grams of salt. Mix everything until well combined and cover the bowl so we can transfer to the refrigerator to marinate for at least 45 minutes. Now we will marinate the sliced pork belly with the same measurements as before. So, using a second bowl, combine 400 grams of sliced pork belly, 1 cup of finely chopped shallot, 1/2 cup of chopped green onions, 5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 30 grams of ground black pepper, 50 grams of sugar, and 20 grams of salt. Then mix until well combined and once again cover the bowl and transfer it to the refrigerator to marinate for at least 45 minutes. I should also point out that if you prefer a meatless meal, you can substitute the meat of this recipe with tofu, which also brings a rich flavor and will absorb all the marinade the same way. To make the carrot papaya salad, let's first peel and julienne the carrots and green papaya. Then in a bowl add 100 grams of sugar, 1 cup of white wine vinegar, and 1/2 cup of sliced spicy chiles. Stir all the ingredients together until the sugar is dissolved. Now add the liquid to the julienne carrots and green papaya and mix until well combined. Then set aside in the refrigerator. Now let's make the dipping sauce. In a pot over medium heat, add 4 cups of fish sauce and 300 grams of sugar. Then stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Let's then turn off the heat and add 2 cups of white wine vinegar, 40 grams of ground black pepper, 2.5 cups of water, and 1/2 cup of finely chopped garlic. Stir everything and set aside. To grill the Vietnamese meatballs and the pork belly, let's first preheat either the indoor or the outdoor grill to a medium-high heat and form the marinated pork shoulder mixture into balls slightly larger than ping pong balls. Then flatten out each one into mini patties. Grill both the Vietnamese meatballs and pork belly slices at the same time for about 2 minutes per side or until well done. Once the grilling is done, let's divide the grilled Vietnamese meatballs, pork belly slices, rice noodles, and lettuce leaves into 4 bowls. Then top with the pickled chilies, green papaya and carrots, and serve with the dipping sauce on the side. Enjoy! If you'd like to read the steps of this recipe, check the description box or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes to see both this recipe and many more Southeast Asian meals. If you have not already, please support the channel by leaving a like on this video and clicking that subscribe button. Thank you all for watching and cooking along with us. We hope to see you again in our next video recipe.